In this video, we will discuss the minimum system requirements to set up a cybersecurity home lab to learn ethical hacking. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we need to select a host machine. You must be working on Windows 11, as Windows 10 support is no more. However, if you wish to use Windows 10, the process is same. It can be a Windows 10 or 11 machine with required specifications of minimum 8 GB of RAM. However, 16 is recommended so you can run multiple virtual machines properly. 512 GB of hard disk to install the virtual machines on the host machine, and Intel i5 CPU or Ryzen 5 CPU will be good for starting point. However, for better performance, Intel i7 or Ryzen 7 is highly recommended. After selecting the ideal system, it's time to set up virtual environment on Windows host machine. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Share your feedback and questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials on cybersecurity. Thanks for watching.